Yeah, we back on the Saran. So look, man, my bike is crusty, dusty, and it need work. You feel me? Look at the chain, bruh. So we gonna go take this thing to the car wash, pressure wash it, clean it up, and get it back looking right. You feel me? It should never look this dirty. I spent all this money on this bike, and it's looking like complete garbage. So you can't have that. You can't have that on me. Sure. Ugh. Yeah, man, we finna go get this thing right. They gonna need big old apartments over here. We finna just go ahead and hop on the sidewalk. Lie, like I was supposed to binge watch this bike. It don't even supposed to be looking this bad, but I just been lazy. Cause at the end of the day, it's like a dirt bike, but you feel me? You can't just let it get too dusty and crusty. I'm gonna have to I'm gonna pressure wash the chain, ride it straight home, grease it up. That's what I'm gonna do. You feel me? But I don't like pressure washing nothing up there. I probably rinse it with water, but as far as me like just hitting it with a pressure washer, I'm not gonna do that, cause I don't know. I need to see a video of somebody testing this thing in the rain, cause I'm not finna be the first, and I'm not finna just wet this thing up like that. I know ronster, he had an egg rider, and I guess the egg riders are not waterproof, so he got a bunch of water in his. But I don't got an egg rider, I got the stock display. But you feel me? I don't want to take a risk, but got my foot wet. We'll go ahead and hit this ATM for like $5. You feel me? Ain't finna do nothing too crazy. We gotta make sure it's not nothing, you know some of these ATMs is messed up. But yeah, man. Alright, the money is acquired. You feel me? $10. That's all we putting up in this thing. So what we gonna do? Bro, staring? What you staring at, dude? Oh, that was you trip. You looking at me. $5, bro. I'm not even gonna be using the whole 5. 12 minutes. That's enough time. Spot rinse. No. Tire cleaner. I think that we go. That's how we go. Wrong thing, bro. We just gonna do pre-soap. For me, make sure you get all up in there. What we're gonna do is put this on the floor. I learned this off of dirt bike videos I've seen on YouTube. I can lean it over more, but we ain't finna do all that. It ain't really dirty down there. Alright, we're gonna get the soap on that thing. Is the soap coming out of there? Phone, bro. Oh shit. You gotta get that Benz all soaked up. You feel me? Ooh, it's finna fall. Go ahead and put the kickstand back on. Man, you gotta take care of your babies, you feel me? I don't know why I wet the seat. That's how you do it, you feel me? We gotta get a thumbnail somewhere. I'm just gonna soak it up. Looking wasting phone with me. I'm gonna ahead and put that back up. Golly. We still got 9 minutes, bro. I can just sit here and play around all day. That low-key hurt. So we just gonna do that. I got hella money left, so we just gonna do everything. We gonna condition the bike for me. Spray wax. Wax this baby up. We even put wax on the tires over here, you feel me? We do it up. Throw some wax on that chain. Bruh. Ugh. I made sure not to hit the linkage like super crazy with the high pressure water. For me, I know a little stuff about dirt bikes, stuff like that. You feel me? And that's how you do it, bro. I still got like 3 minutes, 4 minutes left, but I'm just gonna go ahead and push it over here. I can't read or what? Alright, so the machine is not taking my money, so we're just gonna go ahead and go about our business. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for tuning in, and peace out. You feel me? Looking, I hope the bike runs, but yeah, man, peace out. Alright, before you end the video, the bike do cut on. Let me see, let me show y'all something, bro. But yeah, man, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for tuning in, peace out.